Friday workshop.
All right, what are we doing this week?
This week we're making Pickleball Paddle version 2.0.
Yeah, we are making a pickleball paddle. This is version 2.0. We've got some changes from the previous time we did a pickleball paddle. It's gonna be pretty awesome. We make it pretty traditionally with wood, with a bigger handle. We've got a real end cap on the end. We've got the wrap tape, and it works fantastically. Stick around for the end of the video after the credits, and we'll show you us playing pickleball.
So here we go.
All right, so we're at Home Depot right now. We're gonna pick up some 1/2-inch plywood. Right here, it looks like we got some sandy plywood right here. This looks pretty nice, and I think this is what we're gonna go with, so here we go. Here we are at Dick's Sporting Goods. We're gonna see if we can find a good rack for the pickleball paddle. So, here we go. All right, we've got a bunch of different grips here. I think what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go with the red one for Friday Workshop. The Friday Workshop Red. Yeah!
About 2 years ago, we made pickleball paddles. These are the pickleball paddles we have. These are our favorite pickleball paddles. They're amazing. They work better than the professional ones right here, and they work better than these cheap wooden ones. They have a little weight to them, and we really like being able to play pickleball with that. We play pickleball a lot. There's pickleball championship courts right near us and that sort of thing. So we're gonna make version 2.0 of these. What we're gonna do is make a few changes. So I'm gonna go over what the changes are. Okay, one thing that we didn't do is we didn't beef up these handles. So these handles are just the width of this plywood wood. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna beef up the handles a little bit. In order to beef up the handles, we grab this paint stick. This looks like the perfect width of material that is added on to these other pickleball paddles. So we're gonna be adding on to either side a piece of this wood right here, just to keep it nice and light, but also keep it a good thick grip. The other thing, that these have a plastic tip on the end of it. Ours don't have a plastic tip on the end of it. We just used electrical tape. So we went to Amazon and we got these for tennis rackets. You can see that they're the same size as these other ones, and even the same size as the professional ones. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on the end, we're gonna build up either side, and it's gonna be amazing. So that's, the handle is really the big change that's gonna be happening here. All right, one more thing is that we have a few knots in here. And so instead of getting the cheap OSB that we got before, we also went with the sandy plywood from Home Depot. We went with the 1/2-inch sandy plywood. We're gonna cut just the bulk of it out here into a rectangle, and then we're gonna cut the rest on the bandsaw. All right, let's get the rest on the bandsaw. Dom, do you know why this is the most musical tool we have?
Why?
Because it's the bandsaw. The bandsaw. All right, enough dad jokes. Here we go. Well, that's not the same on both sides.
So a couple years ago when we made this design, we thought, oh, it's symmetrical, it's perfect, we don't even have to check. No, it's not symmetrical. Pickleball paddles aren't symmetrical. The plastic one, the wood one we bought from the store, they're just not. So when we made it this time around, we were like, oh, we just messed up. No, they're just not symmetrical. So we're just gonna make a non-symmetrical pickleball paddle, I guess.
I have never let you use the bandsaw.
I think I used it once for one video, yeah.
So it is time. You've gone all over the safety things. You know where to keep your hands away from it.
Yeah, right here. Right?
You know how to use, Here's a push stick for you.
Perfect.
And good luck and cut it. It's already measured to where we're gonna cut it because it's on a measuring thing. It's brilliant.
Yep, so we're gonna thicken up the handle. We're gonna use, we're gonna cut it twice, once for this side and once for the other side. So here we go. All right, so now we have the little pieces for the handle, so we're gonna go ahead and add to it. So here we go.
So the nails out of this nail gun go all the way through, and that's just gonna be too long, and I don't wanna deal with that. So we have shorter ones, they can go part way through, and then we'll just have to do it on either side, and that's fine.
How long are the nails, Dad?
This long? Good question, let me find out. All right, they're 5/8 inches.
5/8 inches, nice.
Right. This long?
All right. So this is why it didn't work, it's all chunky.
Chunky glue!
I was trying to squeeze out solid through this little cap here.
It is cold. Okay.
All right, found some glue that's not chunky, Dad?
I don't have a bowl. I'm just gonna pour it on this rag, and I'm gonna throw away the rag when we're done. I got a gallon of glue. It takes a little while to get cold. Oh my goodness! Look, it's like almost upside down. It's not coming out. Oh, come on! Look how thick that is.
We did not anticipate the temperatures cooling down this much for glue.
Our shop, it's so cold in our shop.
Look at that. That looks like just a chunk of paint.
Okay, we're moving the glue into the house after this. Let's see. That'll work. All right, we're gonna let this dry, and then we will sand down to a proper shape, and then probably do like a 45 at the top. And in order to let this dry faster, I don't know if you can see my breath, we're gonna bring this in the house.
All right, we are cutting this to 45-degree angles so we can actually put this, the little cap of the handle on. So we're just marking out right now where we are sanding off. All right, so we have the paddle right here. We are going to go at 45-degree angles, smooth it out right here, here, and here. And we are going to make it so that the cap is gonna fit on the end. And then basically from there, I'm just gonna smooth out the rest. We'll hand sand the 45-degree angles up here because it's just not gonna work out very well doing it here. And then we're just gonna hand sand the rest of it. So here we go. I got some 80 grit sandpaper right here. We are going to attack this thing. We're gonna make up here at 45-degree angles so it looks all pretty, fits all nice. And here we go. We're about to find out. Dad, did you hand me 2 right-handed gloves? Let's find out. And drum roll, please. Da-da-da-da-da. Left-handed glove. That paddle's a little light.
That's nice.
Dad, do you know what time it is?
I believe it's mineral spirits time.
It's Mineral Spirit time! Yeah!
It's been a while since we've done a mineral spirits time.
It has been a while. We need to do more build projects, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
What do you think, subscribers? Toss down in the comments down below. We need another build video.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. This is going to prep the project. Yeah.
It gets all that sand off of there.
Yep.
From when you sanded it.
Also gives us a look for what it might look like when we're done.
All that bits of sanded wood.
Yeah.
Not actual sand.
A lot more than this. All right, now we're gonna let this dry. And what do you think, Dad? Put on stain?
I kind of like a clear coat.
Clear coat?
Yeah.
Well, let's do it. All right, so right here I have is clear polyurethane. We're gonna put it right on here because this pickleball paddle is gonna get beat up by pickleballs all the time. So here we go. All right, so now we're gonna let that dry.
Well, this is after the clear coat. It's absolutely beautiful. The handle's on great. It looks gorgeous. We're gonna put the end cap on now and staple it down. So, boy, that fits on there snug. Fantastic. And then we noticed that this is how they staple them in the real paddles. Well, in the ones we've seen. This is how they attach them. There's one, and then they do one on the other side. And that's permanently on there. Now, let's wrap it. Okay. Wow. That took a few times, but as long as I went over the link of the bottom one, over on the lip of the next one, it was able to get the whole length of this handle, which is great. Now I'm gonna put the this piece. I think it goes on the top. I'm gonna make sure here. Yeah, it goes on the top. That is great. And then this little piece just makes that piece, I think, look nicer. Yeah. Dang, that's really nice.
Friday workshop.
And that's how you make.
A pickleball paddle.
Wow, how fun was that? Holy cow.
Yeah, that turned out pretty well, didn't it?
Yeah. If you like videos like
You
these,
check out this one.
like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Also, stick around for the end of the video because after this, we're playing
Pickleball.
pickleball. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's play some pickleball.
Yeah.
Version 1.
And version 2.
Let's try it.
Whee!
Oh.